course it wasn't on. Let me just tell you a little something that's happened this week, okay? I've been really lazy this week and I'm not proud of it. I've literally just watched YouTube and stayed in like a sweatshirt the whole week. My name is Sarah Jessica Parker and I'm being held against my will. My boy's being sick. It's just been a weird week. Just watched a lot of YouTube, you know, catched up on all my subscriptions. But let me just tell you what happened. Well, I'm not going to go into too much detail of what happened because I don't want to expose anyone. Basically, all I'm going to say is that I am very socially awkward and it's just cute, you know, it's cute how I do this to myself. I'm just so socially awkward. Like, this is why I don't have a lot of friends, you know, like I tell myself, Grace, this is why, silly you. I just had a very socially awkward moment at the beginning of this week. Me and those people have not talked since then. Yeah, like I said, it's just adorable how I do that to myself. It's so funny. And then the rest of this week, I slept, like I kept going to bed at like 3 a.m. What else did I do? Oh yeah, nothing. There was something else. Okay, so I'm going to a community college where I live and I have not started classes yet, but I have to take a test to basically see what classes I have to take, see where I fall, because on my ACT, I didn't make like a high enough score on like the math, for example. And so I have to go take a math test to see what class I will take. And it's supposedly just basic algebra, and I think I can do that for the most part. Well, it was supposed to be this morning, right? Right? I've been thinking all week, okay, so Thursday, today is Thursday. Thursday is the day of the test. The test starts at 9 a.m. so I have to be there at like 8:45, which me and my friend are gonna get there at like 8:40. And so I get up this morning, like I went to bed at like midnight last night, got up this morning, slapped some concealer on so I wouldn't look dead. I got up and I waited for my friend to get here. So I checked this page, all the information on it. It says, oh, June 8th. That's what it is. I look at my phone, it's June 7th. So I got up really early this morning but everything is cool. In my last video, I mentioned I'm going to start. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I got this box like a few days ago, and I mentioned in my last video I'm going to start selling makeup, and you can start buying high quality makeup from moi. That's pretty freaking cool. This stuff is high quality makeup. It's what they use in Hollywood. It's called Limelight, and I mentioned in my last video also they're changing the name to LimeLife, and it's by Alcone. I got to try out some of their makeup products last week. I got my box and I'm excited. I have opened it, but I have not looked at any of the products yet. I opened the box to see what the package was because I had ordered a swimsuit, but for some reason I was like, well, maybe this is the swimsuit because I'm stupid. So obviously this is not a swimsuit, but I just opened it up enough to see what it actually was, and it's Limelight, so I'm excited. Or LimeLife. Oh, it's already changed. It's already printed off. Okay. Thank you. Merci. Okay. So I guess how I'm going to do this is I'm just going to pull stuff out of the box and just see what it is. Now this box, it's like basically a starter kit. Since I'm now starting to sell this makeup, I ordered a starter kit so I can start using it and start doing like maybe like some tutorials or something, or just showing people how great the products are, you know what I'm saying? So this is like their starter kit. I think the only thing missing from this starter kit is like the foundation, the concealer, and the setting spray, and like the priming spray. So I guess how I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna pull this out of the box and see what happens. So Interesting. Okay, so the first thing, it's a bunch of magazines. This has like all their products in it. This is basically just the cover. It's so beautiful. And it's just got all of like the products in it. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. But it shows all the products in here that they have and all the different shades they have. So that's cool. I don't think I'm going to go through this, at least not right now. Here is the box. Woo! This is just basically all of the foundation. They like name their shades. If you have a pink undertone, you're in the olive group. And if you are more yellow undertoned, then you are in the Shinto group. I have not ordered my foundation or concealer or setting spray or primer yet, because you have to order that separately. So I have not gotten to that yet. I think I'm in the Shinto. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, these are just basically all the foundation colors and everything. If I were to color match you, I would ask you, okay, do you burn easily or do you tan more easily? And if you burn more easily, then you're in the olive group, which is like, you know, the pink undertones. If you tan more easily, then you're in the Shinto group. Let's open this big bad boy up. This is what it looks like so far. I don't know if you care about that. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on like trying these products individually and like do like a full face of makeup with these products. So right now I'm not gonna like obviously put it on my face at the moment, but I will be filming that once I get like my foundations in and all the other stuff. So the first thing I'm pulling out this lip color, and it is in Macaroon. I'm gonna beauty guru this for a second. Just a little nudie pinky color. I'm just gonna swatch it because we're cool like that, aren't we? Yes. When that feels really creamy too, so you know that's gonna be good. Can't wait to use that. Okay, now this next thing, let's see, this is a beauty blender. It comes in its own little pouch. That's so cool. But yeah, this is the little beauty sponge that they have. This is similar to the shape of the Real Techniques one. Let's see how like they're both pointed. This is very dirty, but they're both very pointed and they also have a flat end. Can you see that? Okay, this next thing is the Perfect Blush. This is in the shade 04. Just this pretty, like, just light pinky color. It's got a little shimmer to it. Like, I can see it on my fingers and it's kind of got a little bit of shimmer to it, it looks like. At least to me it looks like that. And I don't know if you can, like, swatch this or not, but it's right there. It's real natural, real pinky. Because I'm really not one for blushes a lot. But if I do wear a blush, I do wear like just a real light one because I mean I'm not a big blush fan. But as long as it's like very like natural and neutral colored. This next thing is a sheer lipstick in the shade 202. Not gonna focus at all. And this is more like, I'm so bad at describing colors. So like, this is more like a purpley undertone, I would say. Oh, it's not too dark too, so that's good. It's like pretty similar to the other color. It's similar to the other color, except it's got, I would say, more of a purpley undertone to it. So that's pretty, and that is kind of creamy. We love a good creamy lipstick, lip gloss, anything creamy. You know, it's good. Okay, so this, they sent me some skincare stuff. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. I got to use like little samples of these products. She gave me like a little sample of this face wash. It is the Dream Clean Aloe and Soap Berry Face Wash. Normal to oily skin. So I got this foaming cleanser. If any of you have any essential oils, this smells like essential oils, but it's not overbearing, so it smells beautiful. I used it one time and I could not wait for this stuff to come in because, as you can see, I don't know, you probably can't see. I do have some acne and I don't know how to fix it. I've been trying to use more natural stuff lately. I've been using Burt's Bees. Been using a lot of Burt's Bees products, and I mean, don't get me wrong, I like their products, but it's just like really not doing anything for my skin. I mean, I've been using it for months, so I should have seen a difference by now. So I don't know, but I'm really excited to use this. I've heard really good things about this skincare. So I am excited to use all this. So like I said, this is the little foaming cleanser. And then this, it is the Mask of Zen. It is a clay and tea tree oil face mask. I'm scared I'm gonna like... It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm so excited. Yeah, that's the way to open that. And that's what the product looks like. I'm going to go all ham on my skin tonight. So that's that. I know we're kind of going all over the place with all these products and we're not just sticking to one specific area, but I'm literally just pulling it out of the box as I see it. Let's see, this is another blush. Oh no, this is an 06, so this is another blush, and it's more of a tannish color, I would say, more of a nudie color than pinky. It's just a little nudie color. So yeah, this must have like a shimmer to it. Maybe I'm just imagining that. I'd say it has a little bit, like nothing sparkly, nothing much, but I think it has a little bit to it. Natural blushes. Oh, here we go. We got a bronzer here. I'm excited about the bronzer. This is the bronzer. It is in 01. Right there. It looks pretty similar to the Bahama Mama bronzer. No, the butter bronzer. Like I'm looking at the shades right now and they look pretty similar. So if you are into the butter bronzer, like I am, this looks almost the exact same. So okay, so this is a body scrub, more skincare, so I'm really excited about the skincare. This is the Bamboo Renew Bamboo and Lemongrass Body Scrub. I don't think I've ever really used a body scrub, so this is interesting. You know how like when you get like, when you DIY body scrubs on like Pinterest and you get like, oh, use like coffee grinds and all this other stuff. This stuff looks like coffee grinds. Like it literally is, it looks like that scrub. Here's more skincare. This is the moisturizer. And it's pomegranate and oat face moisturizer. Normal to dry skin. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little bottle. And I don't have a good moisturizer. I literally just use this stuff from like the dollar store. I mean, it's whatever, it's cool. But now I got this fancy stuff. Okay, so this is the face oil. This is called Due Date. How do you say this? Palmarosa and Sunflower Face Oil. Yeah. Again, smells like essential oil. This is the mascara. Okay, so are you ready for this? Okay, so normally, when I was testing out this makeup, normally like when I put on mascara, I have to use like an eyelash curler. So when I was testing out this makeup, I was too lazy to go upstairs to go get my eyelash curler. And let me tell you something. I used this mascara. I didn't even need an eyelash curler. This is the perfect mascara. But no, you know how like those fancy mascaras that are like the fiber mascara. It comes in two things. Like you have the fibers and then you have the mascara and then you put it on. This is 2-in-1, baby. So you don't have to switch in between little mascaras. No, it's all one mascara. So I got you. I wish I could just show you this right now, but I can't because I've already got my makeup on. Okay, so this is the Perfect Lip Gloss in the shade Peace. Really sparkly. I love it. It's just this very light pinky tone. Oh, and it's got a look at this. Got a little mirror right here. You don't have to worry about a thing. You don't even have to worry about a thing. Let's see, where am I gonna swatch this at? That is the lip gloss. Just a very light pink. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I love the packaging on this stuff. Like I know like the packaging doesn't matter that much to a lot of people. I just love how all of it's so aesthetically pleasing. This is the Power Pout Perfect Lipstick in the shade 102. Like that is like neon stuff, man. That is pretty. This is a enduring lip liner. Oh, it's just an 01. It's just this nude color. Your girl loves a good nude color. Just swatch it real fast. That is a really pretty nude. Oh, I'm so bad at this. I'm bad at swatching. Oh, and there's something really cool about these lip liners. They sharpen themselves, okay? So let me explain. Okay, so the thing about this is that you twist it to close it. There is a teeny tiny little sharpener. So whenever you close the lid, whenever you twist it close, there should be like a little click and it sharpens it for you. So that's pretty freaking cool because I hate having to carry around like one of these little things. They get nasty, they get gross. Well, this does not. This does not. This eyeliner, we know how hard it is to get that wing, you know? There's been numerous times when I'm doing my eyeliner and I accidentally bump it or something happens and it smudges everywhere. Not anymore. This is smudge proof. Are you ready? I'm gonna swatch it on my wrist. I don't know if this is in focus, but look at her. That is worth the money if you ask me. Highly, highly recommend. So that's the eyeliner. Can't wait to use that baby. This little baby, this little thing right here, this I figured out is for the blushes and the bronzer. Here she is, ladies. There she is. Look at her. We have the 04, the 06, and then we have the 01. But basically the blush, bronzer. Just like you have like your do-it-yourself palette where you can just like pick and choose what kind of colors you want. They have that for eyeshadows. They have that for foundations and concealers. They have it for pressed powders. So they got you covered. They have you covered. It's okay. Don't worry about it because LimeLife has you covered. They do have eyeshadows. I will have to get that separately, I do believe, because I mean it's not in the box. They have 36 different shades of colors. Let's see if I can fit this in here. Don't put me in there. Anyway, they have a lot of eyeshadows to choose from. I don't have them with me today, but the day that I did get to try them out, they're very, very pigmented. They have their own collection of brushes. I do not have any of those yet. They have, let's see, they have 20 brushes. 20 brushes. And I think that is it. I kind of feel bad because I was going to try out all of the makeup, like instead of just like swatching it. But one of the next videos that I'll do will be me like actually doing a full face with all of these products. I'm going to try to get in my foundation shade, my concealer. There's a setting spray and a primer. So that's all I got right now. All of these opinions are my own. I wouldn't be talking about something that I didn't think was high quality. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you want more of these videos. I will leave the link in the description to my little website so you can go and shop all of these products and more. Okay, so literally, this is not like part of the video, but I bought this outfit. I bought it from Runway and it's so adorable and I love it. The only problem is that did you hear that? That's my lower back. The top was a little too big, so I literally pinned it. I don't know, you probably can't see it. I basically had to pin my tops to make it fit. Every day is a chore. You say that I find it difficult, but it's always someone else's fault. Fall in love with me. Run around and find your dreams come true with me. I really can't stay. I love Still Drunk. Oh no. Just for starters. Always on this shit. I got a new deal. Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I saw my soul good. Gonna get then she were mine. Honey, please. I almost fell out of my chair, so that's cool. Subscribe, like, comment, anything you want. Yeah. So later, ladies. That's disgusting. I'm never doing that again.